What is the difference between accept and accept? As you can hear, these two words are homophones, which means they sound the same but have different spellings and meanings. This makes them easy to confuse. Accept functions as a verb, which means it designates an action, to agree to receive or take something. For example, we might say, I always accept new music recommendations from my students. In this sentence, the word accept designates an action, my willingness to take music recommendations from my students. Accept has a greater number of functions. It can be a preposition or a conjunction or sometimes a verb. We use it to denote exclusion of some sort. So for example, I might say, all of the students except Jovan told me their favorite singer. Or we might say, this is because Jovan listens to nothing except rain sounds. This can be a little tricky, so if you're looking for an easy way to remember the difference, pay attention to the first letters of each word. So accept begins with an A and it designates an action, while accept begins with EX and it marks off exclusion or, of course, exception.
Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Colburn Classroom for more videos.